Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete bank transactions on QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks web page. Then next is make sure that you're logged into your account by hovering your mouse here. And we're going to choose QuickBooks Online. So from here, all you have to do is log in with your user email or ID, and you can also log in using your phone. You will then be redirected to your QuickBooks homepage, and in the left panel, just look for transactions. Just hover your mouse, then just click on bank transactions. So from here, you should be able to see all the list of your bank transactions, and all you have to do is check the box of the transaction that you want to delete. Then next is click on exclude. So that's the only way that you can delete bank transactions on QuickBooks Online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!